Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you exactly the reasons why I chose Sisterlocks over Microlocs. Let me preface this video by saying that Sisterlocks and Microlocs are both great hairstyles for my hair type, which was fine. My hair was fine. Mainly fine hair is difficult because it's hard to grow, because it's easy to damage fine hair. So for me, my hair, the fact that it was fine made me want to get the smallest locks possible. In my area, the person I found to do my hair, my loctician, she does Microlocs, she also does Sisterlocks. I chose Sisterlocks because I first of all wanted a professional to do my hair, and also I wanted them to be the smallest possible. I mentioned this before that you can get Microlocs as small as Sisterlocks or smaller than Sisterlocks. It really depends on you, how you decide to do your hair, your parting, the size of the parts and everything. But to get the Sisterlocks protocol, I guess, I had to choose Sisterlocks, which I gladly did. I had the Microlocs and I kept them for a couple months. I think it was a couple months. And then I decided to comb them out and get Sisterlocks instead, because the experience with the Microlocs was so great that I was like, I'm going to love Sisterlocks. This is what I'm gonna do before my hair start locking and before I change my mind again, you know? So one of the main reasons I got Sisterlocks was because I wanted the smallest locks possible. And I didn't know what that meant, but this is what I wanted. And so when I got the Microlocs and I realized that I could get even smaller than that, I combed them out to get Sisterlocks. So that's one reason. And another reason why I contemplated Sisterlocks before getting the Microlocs, because I will link the video. I tell the story of how I had decided to get Sisterlocks, changed my mind, got Microlocs, and then after getting the Microlocs, changed my mind again and got Sisterlocks. I will link that video. Not my finest moment, but I'm here to share my experience so that if somebody is like me, indecisive, on the fence, go with what you really want. Deep down inside, you know what you really, really want. If you can afford it, if your budget is set up that you can, first of all, pay for the installation and then also pay for the maintenance, don't do it to yourself. Just go for it. You're gonna regret settling, and then you're gonna just beat yourself up, and you're gonna do like me, comb them out and get the other kind of locks. So if it's Microlocs versus Sisterlocks and you just lean towards Sisterlocks, get the Sisterlocks, because this is really what you want, and trying to convince yourself otherwise will only, I think it will only lead you to just changing your mind later on, you know? And also another reason I got Sisterlocks, well, when I was researching, one of the reasons I locked on the Sisterlocks was because of the sizing and also because of the protocol. I liked the parting. I liked the way that it was installed. I thought that it gave a chance for the lock to, even after maturing, to remain really, really tiny, and the interlocking process and everything. I thought it was a good way, just by looking at pictures, because I compared people who shared their experience from the beginning, how their hair looked the first few days and how their hair looked maybe a year later and then 2 years later. Like I follow Let's Journey, for example, and she has fine hair, and I looked at her locks and I was like, okay, so in the beginning it was really, really thin, the locks were really, really small, but then as gradually her hair was maturing, I saw how her hair was looking after a year, after 2 years, and I was like, oh, that's that's interesting. It looks really good. So that encouraged me to think that my hair would also benefit from the same type of evolution. So that encouraged me, just seeing people sharing their hair journeys and seeing also the evolution from when they installed or when they started sharing their journey to a year or 2 years later, people with finer hair and people with thicker hair and people in between. That was really useful for me to see the type of progress and evolution I was gonna get. And I really like the way that the locks stay uniform when you do it like that. The locks stay pretty uniform. You're gonna get locks that are really the same pretty much. My locks in the back are a little different. I feel like they are a little bit more rebellious and unique compared to the front locks, those locks here. My locks in the back are a little thicker, a little bigger, but overall I can say that my locks are pretty uniform and it's looking really good. It looks like what I envisioned. Honestly, it really does look like what I envisioned. All right, so the next reason I chose Sisterlocks over Microlocs is because it's unique. Not a lot of people have Sisterlocks in my area. I didn't know anybody who had Sisterlocks. I thought they were pretty online, and I thought that that would be a look that would suit me, just suit my personality, suit my face, suit my lifestyle. And because they're unique, because I'm doing something that not most people decide to do, I like that because I like to be different. Actually, I like to be going against what everybody is doing. So when I decided to go natural, not a lot of people were natural where I was, and so I was happy to. And then a few years later, everybody was natural, and I was like, okay, so what do I do? You know, everybody's natural. I love the fact that the natural hair movement came here to Montreal, and it was like, it swept everything, and everybody, like even my mom is natural. I mean, she didn't really like natural hair when I first started. She wasn't really like, not that she didn't like it, but she didn't think that it was something that could be managed. And then she followed me for a few years and she saw how I did, and she was like, okay, so you've been doing it for a few years, let me try it too. And now she's natural. So imagine. I love the fact that everybody went along, and everybody, not because of me, because of the natural hair movement, everybody went along, and most people are natural now. Like, you won't see the majority, as when I was younger, you won't see that the majority of people is relaxed, and you won't see all the young girls relaxing their hair when they start high school or when they start middle school. I see now on YouTube a lot of people going back to relaxers, but it's not the norm here where I live. It's not most people doing that yet. So we'll see. I'm hoping that people will choose locks instead of relaxing their hair. Locks are so great. If you like wigs, if you like weaves, so that means you don't mind spending money to do your hair, you're gonna love Sisterlocks. I really, really do think that. And you have other choices. You have Microlocs, you have traditional locks. For people who like to do their hair themselves, traditional locks are amazing, because you know that's a style you can do from home. But Sisterlocks, if you like to, I guess, be different, I don't know. And then also another reason why I chose Sisterlocks was because I really wasn't interested in doing my hair myself. So that's piggybacking on what I just said about doing your hair yourself. If you're wearing traditional locks, I did not want to do my hair myself. I have an aversion, and I really feel bad saying this because I know that I'm getting over it slowly, because I'm thinking about learning how to retie my hair. But I have this aversion to doing my hair right now, and I'm trying to get over it, like I said. But I wasn't interested at all. Like, I did not want to do my hair anymore. So I had to find a style that would allow me to not have to do my hair. and locks were the perfect style, and Sisterlocks actually were the perfect style because you have to go see a loctician to install them. You have to go see a loctician to retie them. It kind of saved me. I would say it was the perfect style for me to transition out of doing my hair myself for 10 years or plus. I'm feeling like I'm getting over it. I'm feeling the little tingling of trying to learn how to retie my hair. I've had the little thoughts about it this month. We'll see if it stays like that or if I continue on wanting to get my hair done at the salon, so we'll see. And then there's not a lot of reasons why I chose Sisterlocks over Microlocs. The main reason was because I really thought that they were beautiful. My Microlocs were installed in twists, so this might not apply for people who have Microlocs installed by interlocking. I could have chosen interlocking, but I had no idea. I didn't know anything about locks. So my research was that you can install interlocks that probably looked like Sisterlocks, but it was easier and faster if you did Microlocs to install them in twists. So that's what I chose. If you're debating between Sisterlocks and Microlocs, if you want Microlocs because you want to save money, I won't advise you to get interlocks because the pricing is proportionate to how long it takes to do the hairstyle. So interlocks will take probably almost as long as Sisterlocks, not completely as long because there's the grid as well. You have to part, you have to measure, and before you can even start interlocking. So I think it's a little more freehand. When it's Microlocs, you part as best as you can, but you don't have to really be as precise as Sisterlocks. So that would be a difference. But I don't know, I just loved the style. I loved the look. I loved the idea that the locks were gonna be very versatile. I loved the pictures I saw from people wearing very tiny locks. And so, yeah, this is pretty much the reason why I chose Sisterlocks. It's not very, very strong. It's pretty weak, I would say. If you're on the fence between Sisterlocks and Microlocs, choose Sisterlocks only if you really, really want Sisterlocks. Otherwise, if you want tiny locks, I would choose Microlocs. First of all, they're cheaper. It's easier and faster to install, and it is also cheaper to maintain. So there are a lot of reasons why you can choose Microlocs. I personally wanted Sisterlocks, and so the main reason why I chose Sisterlocks is because I really wanted Sisterlocks. Boring, but true. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time on another video. Bye.